Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Curries to Cakes. Today I'm going to show you this easy and delicious vanilla sponge recipe. Also, this vanilla sponge is made without oven. Yes, you heard it right. There is no need of oven. You can make any cake following this procedure. If you want to know the difference between sponge and a cake, then comment below. Alright, let's begin with the recipe. Before making any cake or a sponge, first make sure you prepare the baking tin. Here I am using a butter to grease the baking tin. I am using the round baking tin. Just grease it with butter or oil and dust some flour and coat this baking tin all over with the flour. You can also use a butter paper. This procedure is without using butter paper. So that's it. Remove the excess flour. The baking tin is ready and keep this aside. Now place a sieve onto a bowl and add 150 grams of maida, 2.5 grams of baking soda and 2.5 grams of baking powder. Sift all these ingredients together and make sure there are no lumps. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information. Keep this aside. Now into 150 grams of milk, add 45 grams of milk powder and mix this well until there are no lumps. Keep this aside, we'll use it later. Now for 75 grams of unsalted butter, add 120 grams of sugar. This is superfine sugar which is called castor sugar. Now using a whisk or a hand blender, cream butter and sugar. The butter will turn pale in color and also doubles in volume. Scrape the bowl in between with the spatula from the bottom. So to check for doneness, rub the butter onto the bowl with the spatula. If you feel the grains of sugar, then you need to keep creaming further. So I felt some grains, so I am creaming it further. If you have a stand mixer like KitchenAid, then use a paddle attachment. If you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now scrape the bowl and check for doneness again. There are no grains of sugar, so it's done. Now add flour and the milk mixture in 3 batches. That is, add some flour and some milk mixture and then fold them. And again add flour and milk mixture and fold them again. And at last add all the remaining flour and the milk mixture and fold it nicely. Once the batter is ready, add this into the prepared baking tin. Now spread the batter evenly with an offset spatula or a spoon. Since we are not using an oven, preheat a kadai or a big vessel. Also place a stand in the vessel. Now put this baking tin onto the stand and cover it with a lid. Bake this on medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes or until when it's done, that is when you insert a skewer or a toothpick, it should come out clean. So that's done, let's check it. You can see the skewer is clean, there are no specks of batter to it. Now transfer this baking tin onto a cooling rack and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Once it's cooled down, Run a knife all around. Use the blunt side, not the sharp side of the knife, because you don't want to scrape the cake or the sponge. So use the blunt side. Now place a plate onto this baking tin and tilt it upside down so that you can demold the sponge. Let's slice it and see this. So all the measurements I have given are in grams. So if you want the measurement in cups, then I'll list in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. It's just super soft and melts in mouth. Isn't this cake recipe easy? Also, do try this at home and let me know your experience in the comment section. So this is what I have done using this sponge. I'll post this recipe in my next video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.